So this is the GoPro 11 Black Mini, and I want to talk about why I love this camera, but there are a few downsides, which I definitely want to get into so you know exactly what you're getting for your money. First of all, if I just want a simple camera, which is kind of under the radar and quite versatile, then this is definitely the one I go to first. And let me explain to you now why. So the fact is, it's got two mounting points on it, meaning you can mount it in these two different orientations, giving you a lot more versatility with how you mount it. It doesn't have the massive screen, which might make you a bit concerned if you were going to use it in some more rugged environments, say if you're a mountain biker. That means this is more rugged and much less likely to break than something with a screen on it. Now it does have a little screen on top so that you can see your settings, and you can actually cycle through different modes and settings just by using the buttons. And that works really, really well too. Of course, you can connect it to the app and see what the camera is seeing. It comes with everything that you get with the 11 with regards to video modes. So you get your style trails, you get the 8x7 sensor, you get 4K, you get 5.3K horizon leveling, where no matter which way the camera's round, it will stay upright. You can, of course, put the max lens mod on this camera as well. And that's the thing that really impresses me. You can get this for a really good price. There's a big saving over just getting the standard 11. It does all the same things video-wise that the 11 does. And you don't have the front and rear screens if that's something that you don't need. Say if you're on drones or something like that, it's really, really good for that. And I just really like it. I'm really fond of it. And that goes beyond just the specs. I just really like using this camera. And sometimes having the screens can get in the way of just enjoying family moments. And so if you're someone that wants to film with your children or with your family or with your pets, so I've actually connected it to the family pets just so that we can do a bit of filming with them. And this means that it's much less annoying for them because it's lighter. And with a GoPro, because they're so wide, you can kind of just point it in the right direction and you're going to be filming some beautiful moments. And something else you might have noticed, if people see themselves on the screen, that will distract them. This isn't going to do that. It's not distracting. It's so, you know, you have this mounted to you, people aren't going to notice that, oh, there's a screen, and they're going to be like, oh, I'm on that. You know, it's more, you're more in the moment. Keep in the moment. That should be their slogan. You can't remove the battery and put a new one in. So I like to pair this with a battery grip like the Volta or something like that. That way it keeps it charged for hours and hours. And another thing, it doesn't do photos. Obviously, because you don't have a way to see what's going on, the photo section would seem a bit weird, and so they just don't have it at all, so you can't take photos. But the photo modes aren't really that necessary with GoPros anyway, because when you're filming in 8x7 in the highest resolution, you can take frame grabs, which are almost as good quality as the photo mode on a GoPro 11. And so actually screen grabs are better because you can go and select and go through to find the exact one that works. So you can just record a video in a really high frame rate and then choose the exact frame you want to be your photo and output it using the app. And then you've got yourself a really high resolution. It's over 20 megapixels. You know, a really high quality photo screen grab from the 5.3K footage. So it's not much of a loss. So yes, I love this camera and I highly recommend it. For people that want the screen, obviously this isn't the right one for you, but if the features that I've mentioned appeal to you, then maybe consider getting this.